everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 427 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Call Me Unshakeable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And this is also from the brand Adora. And it's another product that they sent me, which yesterday I tried out the eyebrow pencil. So I will link that video down below. I will also note in the description box down below the coupon code, which is just KRISTI, Christy, for 20% off the Adora website. And so this is another product that sounds so great. It says it's specially formulated liquid eyeliner to provide your beautiful eyes with intense color that lasts throughout everything life throws at you in a day. No smudging, running, or flaking. With the easy-to-use pen design, you can create the thin or thick lines you want. Perfect. It's paraben-free and cruelty-free. And you can purchase this on the Adora website, which is miaadora.com. Ooh. Love the packaging on this. So cute. It's funny, just yesterday I was talking to my sister about how I think that I should become a winged eyeliner person that just like wears winged eyeliner every day as part of my daily makeup look, because I see people that wear it all the time and I just think it looks so good and it makes their eyes look so nice, and I want that, but I just need to practice more with liquid eyeliner. So I'm telling you that right now, I'm not great at liquid eyeliner. So we'll see how I do with this. Start out by swatching it. Whoa. Love the tip of this. It's a felt tip, but it's very soft and flexible, which thank goodness. I've tried liquid eyeliners with hard felt tips and they are painful. They are hard to use. And the way that this just wrote, it glided on, and it has full dark black pigment. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. And it already dried down. And it has a really pretty shiny finish. So it does look very fresh and wet, but that's how it is. It's gonna stay looking like that. Okay, this seems so good and promising. Let's see how it does on my eye. And I know the tip is to hold the mirror at an angle down below. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Oh my gosh. Like seriously, that actually looks pretty perfect, but this tip is like the best tip I've ever used. You can get such a fine line, like very pointy, which is what I just did in the inner corner. And then I'm letting it get a little bit thicker towards the outside. And it's so easy to do that in the same swipe. That actually looks so beautiful and was really easy. Okay, so now I just have the upper lash line lined, but I'm going to try a wing. So let's see how this goes. I mean, that technique was bad, but the end result is not bad. Wow. I just love how it doesn't pull on the eyelid at all. It just glides on full pigment. Like I can just like so easily just fill in those little open spots. I was able to get a pointy wing, which I didn't even have to touch up with the makeup wipe. Wow. This could absolutely become my daily eyeliner so that I can get good at wings and just have the enhanced eye look. Because look at that, like this eye compared to this eye, I really do think it looks so nice, like emphasized. I feel like it looks bigger, so I don't know, I just really want to get into that. Let me know in the comments down below if you are the type of person that wears a liquid eyeliner on your upper lash line every day. And if you do, I would love to know some tips. Wow, I am seriously so impressed by this and so happy with this product. It's honestly one of the best liquid eyeliners I've ever tried, and it's not intimidating to get that full dark black line and wing. You can get a sharp wing so easily, which coming from me, that means a lot because wings do not come easily to me. Gosh, I am so excited about this product, and the fact that it is smudge proof and long lasting. Like, this is such a great formula, such a great applicator. You don't have to worry about twisting it up, sharpening it. It has so much great pigment and ink. It didn't dry out at all as I had it out of the lid that entire time, so that's good too. I do see that happen a lot where I'll try a liquid eyeliner and at first it's great, but then it quickly dries out, or I need to somehow get the pigment back into the tip and it's really difficult and it doesn't stay consistent with color throughout the whole line. But this one is great. That's not a problem for it at all. So yeah, if you want a good black liquid eyeliner, definitely check out the Adora Unshakeable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And at the moment, I believe they only have this in black, but I would love to see this in some more colors in the future, especially since this is like such a great formula, applicator, all of that. I would just love to have more of it in more colors. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.